Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, tonight we are going to be making pizzas. And I ran across this idea on Facebook a while back, and I thought, I'm going to give it a try. And I got to tell you, it is delicious. And you can make it, any way you want, but it's made with naan bread. And you can make your own pizza sauce. You can buy some that's pre-made, or you can make it half and half, like pre-made, and then add your stuff to it. You can do fire roasted tomatoes and put your own spices and stuff in it. The ideas are endless, but it's just a very easy dinner. So I wanted to share it with you. So what I did is I have 3 pieces of naan bread right here that I put on a stone. I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees right now. And before you guys joined us, I went ahead and I sliced up some just plain, mushrooms, the button mushrooms. And I've shredded, this is Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese. We have found that we like cheddar cheese on pizzas, and also fresh mozzarella here. I have some spinach that I had on hand, so we're going to use that tonight. And then I sliced up some red onions, because we both like onions on our pizzas, and pepperoni. But there's sometimes we'll do Italian sausage. It's just whatever you have on hand. It's a great way to make a quick dinner. So this is actually jarred pizza sauce, and then I added extra oregano to it and also some red pepper flakes. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on each one of these, and then we'll spread it out. And this is not a whole jar. I can probably get 2 meals or 2.5 meals out of a jar of the pre-made. And then, of course, just add whatever you want to it. And the fire roasted tomatoes are very good doing this too. Let's see how quick this goes.
Very quick, Miss Glow.
Yeah, it makes a nice quick meal, and it is delicious.
They are good.
And who would have thought? And I keep naan bread in the freezer, and we use it for quite a few different things.
You can buy that pretty much anywhere, can you, Miss Glow?
Yep, you sure can. Okay, and also the ones that have garlic on them, you can buy the garlic naan, and that's delicious too. I just had this today, so that's what we're going to use. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this. You want spinach on yours,
Of course,
Richard?
yes,
Okay.
please. Everything but anchovies.
Oh, I like anchovies.
Not on my pizza. Cooked and other things are okay. But to each his own.
Yeah.
This is a custom-made pizza.
So we're going to do spinach on all of them.
That's good.
There we go. So do you want everything I have out to
Yes.
put on it? Okay.
Yes, of course.
All right. So I think I'll just use my fingers for the mushrooms. It'll be easier. But by having all your stuff ready to put on it, it just goes really quick, as you guys can tell. Let's put some of the red onion on. Sometimes we put olives and green peppers and whatever kind of peppers I have on hand, but tonight with the spinach, we're fine with just this. There we go. Some pepperonis. There we go. You think that's enough?
I think so. Looks good.
Okay. We'll sprinkle a little cheese on them. Like I said, this is just a mixture of Parmesan and cheddar, and then we're going to put some of the mozzarella on too. I guess I should have cut up a little bit more of the fresh mozzarella, but we'll be fine. Okay, that's all there is to it, and I'm going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes at 425 degrees. See you back in just a little bit. Hi, well, our pizzas are done, and these actually took 11 minutes, and the reason being is my naan bread was a little frozen still. It was pretty cold. If it had been room temperature, they would have only been 10 minutes, maybe even 9. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we sure are looking forward to having this. I wish you were here to have dinner with us. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment too.